421, and I'm going to teach you how to make an airplane that I haven't named yet. But I made it. Let's go from this. Okay, let's go. Okay, you got the camera focused on the paper?
Yep.
Okay. First of all,
stupid.
you need to fold the paper like a regular 8.5 by 11-inch sheet of paper. Fold it in half using a mountain fold crease. This is an important crease. So don't care what you do with it. Use a little tiny car for all I care. Okay, you can pause the video if you need to.
Okay. How do you do that?
I'm talking to the people on screen.
Oh.
Okay, then you fold this corner over so that this side is touching the center crease. And yeah, I think that's even. See, we don't believe in cuts here on Bozo Filmmakers. And we take the first take. Okay. Now you do the same thing to the other side. Of course, I bet you already knew that. Okay. Now you fold it. Now you make it vertical, and then you fold this corner down so that it touches the crease. Like that.
Hold on, can you stop for a sec?
Then, guess what? You use it for the other side. Looks even. Okay, now you fold the entire crease over so it looks like this. Now, this is where it gets into its actual shape. I've tested it like this and it doesn't work. So that's where this fold comes in. You fold this entire side so it touches the center crease. And yeah, you should have that little triangle right there. That's normal. And I don't care if it has a bad nose or not. Look, my nose is not perfect. And do it with the other side. And now turn it over. Fold along this original crease. And fold it till you have at least about 3/4 of an inch or an inch, about this much right here, left. And crease that. Again, use a little tiny car for all I care. Now do the same thing for the other side. Now you have the shape that you need, but here's where the cutting is. Okay. Then these triangles, you just snip off, making the delta shape. On this model, there are little triangular flaps, so it doesn't matter if you have those or not, because on this one it doesn't. And as you can see, they're pretty much the same. So yeah, here's how to make the shell gun and figure out the name. Yeah. Goodbye.